Havenridge by David R. Antarctica under untouched snow. Havenridge stands alone. No papyrus map can mark this town. Only the Ocvic know. Magnanimous is their weathercaster. He needs no instruments. He sits, thinks of the weather he wants, and the sky obeys. Some days he calls the sun. Other days rain, snow, or sleet. The weather is a perfect consensus. He keeps it that way. But Magnus knows the truth the others don't. All of it, Havenridge, the snow, the sky itself, is a simulation. He's the only one who can manipulate the code. And lately, when he tries to change it, the code pushes back. It, too, has started to cast its own weather in its own Havenridge.